Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your YouTube captions larger on the mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and you want to select the U icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and select that. And now in the top right, select the gear icon. On the left side, scroll down underneath Video and Audio Preferences and select Captions. And then where it says text size, click inside of there. So we have to have captions enabled, obviously. And then you can adjust the text size by selecting that. So you can do either very small, small, normal, large, or very large. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.